There comes a moment in every man's life when he looks around and realizes something feels wrong. He may have a roof over his head, food in his fridge, entertainment available 24 hours a day, and more convenience than any generation before him. Yet despite all of this, he feels empty. His motivation fades, his energy feels weak, his focus disappears. The fire that once burned inside him seems buried beneath endless distractions. Many men spend years trying to solve this problem by chasing more stimulation. They scroll longer, drink more often, seek more pleasure, consume more content, and constantly search for the next hit of excitement. Yet the more they chase it, the further fulfillment seems to move away. The truth is that most men are not suffering because they lack pleasure. They are suffering because they have too much of it. The modern world is built to keep your attention trapped. Every notification, every video, every endless feed is competing for your focus. The result is a man whose mind is constantly stimulated, but rarely satisfied. He becomes addicted to cheap dopamine while slowly losing his appetite for real life. This is where monk mode enters the picture. Monk mode does not mean becoming a hermit. It does not mean abandoning your friends or cutting yourself off from the world. It does not mean locking yourself in a room and avoiding all enjoyment. True monk mode is much simpler than that. It means removing the habits that weaken you while strengthening the habits that build you. It means choosing growth over comfort. It means investing in your health instead of slowly destroying it. One of the most powerful foundations of monk mode is semen retention. For centuries, men across different cultures believed that their life force carried tremendous value. Whether viewed spiritually, mentally, or physically, they understood that constantly seeking release often left them feeling drained, distracted, and less motivated. When a man begins retaining his seed, something interesting starts to happen. His focus begins returning. His energy starts accumulating. His discipline strengthens. His mind becomes sharper. The urges that once controlled him become challenges he learns to overcome. Instead of spending his energy chasing temporary pleasure, he begins directing it toward building a better life. But semen retention alone is not enough. Many men attempt retention while remaining trapped indoors, staring at screens all day, barely moving their bodies, breathing stale air, and wondering why they feel frustrated. Retention creates energy, but that energy needs a direction. Nature provides that direction. There is something powerful about stepping away from artificial environments and returning to the outdoors. The moment you leave the noise behind and walk beneath open skies, your nervous system begins to settle. The pressure starts lifting. Your thoughts become clearer. You remember what it feels like to simply exist. Imagine spending a few hours outdoors. The sun warms your skin. The breeze moves through the trees. Birds replace notifications. Instead of staring at pixels, your eyes focus on horizons, landscapes, and living things. Your brain starts receiving something it desperately needs: space. Modern life rarely gives men space to think. There is always another video, another message, another distraction waiting around the corner. Nature removes much of that noise. Suddenly your mind can breathe again. This is why many men report their strongest moments of clarity while walking outdoors. Problems that seemed impossible suddenly become manageable. Goals become clearer. Stress begins fading. The future feels less overwhelming. As you spend more time outside, another transformation begins. Your body starts waking up. You begin moving more naturally. Walking becomes enjoyable. Hiking feels rewarding. Exercise stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling like an adventure. Instead of forcing yourself onto a treadmill while staring at a wall, you find yourself enjoying movement again. You feel your lungs expanding with every deep breath. You feel your muscles working. You feel your heart growing stronger. You feel alive. This feeling is something many men have forgotten. Too many people spend their lives existing rather than living. They wake up tired, work tired, scroll tired, sleep tired, repeat. Years pass this way. Then one day they wonder where their youth went. Monk mode interrupts that cycle. It forces a man to become conscious again. A simple morning walk can become a powerful ritual. As the sun rises, the world feels fresh. The air feels cleaner. Your thoughts are not yet polluted by the demands of the day. You walk, breathe deeply, and reconnect with yourself. These moments seem small, but they change everything. Because transformation is rarely built from massive actions. It is built from small actions repeated consistently. The man who spends an hour outdoors every day may not notice much in 1 week. But after 6 months, he becomes a different person. His mind is calmer, his body is stronger, his confidence grows, his stress decreases, his relationship with life improves. Along this journey, meditation becomes another valuable tool. Many people misunderstand meditation. They imagine sitting cross-legged for hours, trying not to think. That is not the goal. Meditation is simply learning to observe your thoughts instead of becoming controlled by them. When urges arise during semen retention, meditation teaches patience. When stress appears, meditation teaches calmness. When anxiety arrives, meditation teaches awareness. A few minutes beneath a tree, sitting quietly in the shade, can sometimes provide more clarity than hours spent consuming content online. Nature and meditation work together beautifully. One quiets the environment, the other quiets the mind. As your mind becomes calmer, your relationship with food changes as well. You begin craving nourishment rather than stimulation. Fresh foods become more appealing. Water becomes more satisfying. Your body starts communicating what it truly needs. You begin understanding that health is not built through shortcuts. It is built through daily choices. Every healthy meal becomes an investment. Every walk becomes an investment. Every workout becomes an investment. Every urge resisted becomes an investment. And like any investment, the returns compound over time. Perhaps the greatest gift monk mode offers is something most men never expect. It gives you your appetite for life back. When you stop flooding your brain with constant stimulation, ordinary experiences become enjoyable again. A conversation with a friend feels meaningful. A walk feels refreshing. A workout feels rewarding. A sunset feels beautiful. A good meal feels satisfying. Life regains its color. This is what cheap dopamine steals from people. It convinces them they need more stimulation, while simultaneously making real experiences feel less rewarding. The result is a life that feels increasingly empty despite endless entertainment. Monk mode reverses that process. It teaches your brain to appreciate reality again. And when reality becomes enjoyable, everything changes. You no longer need constant escapes. You no longer need endless distractions. You no longer need artificial highs. Life itself becomes enough. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You wake up energized. Your mind is clear. Your body is stronger. Your confidence is higher. You spend time outdoors. You exercise regularly. You breathe deeply. You eat well. You practice semen retention. You spend less time chasing pleasure and more time building purpose. Now imagine the alternative. Another year lost to the same habits. Another year spent scrolling. Another year spent escaping discomfort. Another year wondering why nothing changes. The difference between these two futures is not luck. It is choice. Every day you are casting a vote for the man you will become. Every decision matters. Every action counts. Every habit shapes your future. The beautiful thing is that you do not need to be perfect. You do not need to change everything overnight. You only need to start. Take a walk. Spend time in nature. Breathe deeply. Exercise outdoors. Eat nourishing food. Retain your seed. Reduce the habits that weaken you. Strengthen the habits that build you. Little by little, day after day, you will begin noticing something remarkable. The world has not changed, but you have. And when a man changes himself, his entire experience of life changes with him. That is the true secret of monk mode. It is not about escaping life. It is about finally becoming present enough to experience it fully. If you made it until here, don't forget to leave a crown emoji in the comments. And most importantly, remember, live with honor or die a coward. Thanks for watching, brother. Take care.